Hey, sexy bitches! So it's been a long time, but I'm back. My eyes look so fucking red. I just woke the fuck up because I'm late for a pool party. So we're gonna try to do this quick and fast, and So what we're doing today is a PR unboxing video. This bot is from the Gatitas makeup store here in Las Vegas. You can go to this store to find everything that you need for makeup, from high-end brands to lower-end brands for lashes, lash glue, little tweezers to apply the lashes, nail products, you know, jewelry and all that kind of stuff. But we'll see what we got in this box because it's a big box. So first of all, we have from Beauty Creations, we have the Emma palette. So this one I did swatch already, as you can see right there. I'm gonna swatch those same colors again. This one, and this one. So I went with this one, and this one, and maybe this one. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch that right here as always. That's okay. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, those last two colors. Yes, bitch. Fuck me up. Oh my god, I feel like I might be getting sick. Please, no corona. I like it. I'm gonna really try this palette soon. And that's the first product. And she has more of the beauty creation palettes, not just this one. She has a big variety. And overall, just a lot of that brand. She also has Born This Way, Too Faced, Anastasia. Now we have the Sweet Talk palette from Colourpop. This one I definitely use already. So I use this glittery color. This one, and this one we're gonna swatch. This shit. Girl. This color. Oh, that's a pretty topper. Oh, bitch. And this. Oh my god. Wait. There, you can see it better from far away. This orange down here. It's like this shimmery peach color. I like it. I love glitters from Colourpop a lot. Oh, no, it's going everywhere. No, not on my pants. See? That's how coronavirus works. Just imagine a drag queen with glitter. Now, how many people have glitter? That's how it spreads, bitches. We have from Anna Beauty, it's a silicone face scrubber. I have actually used these ones before. I do love them. I use them with my scrub, with my cleanser, and stuff like that. From She Makeup, we have a brush cleaner. So it has a hole right here. You put your fingers, and then you rub the brush. I use those too. And from Beauty Creations, we have a beauty blender. And it comes with a little soap bar for brush and beauty blenders. I haven't tried this one. It's from She Makeup. It's skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. Let's try it. Ooh, that's scented, but like I love this scent. What's the ingredients? See, when you look at the ingredients, make sure the alcohol is nowhere close to the top. That means that there's a percentage of product that it comes with. So right here, the first ingredient is aqua. So that's amazing. Yeah, if it has a big percentage of alcohol, that means it's really drying and you don't want that for your skin. I actually learned this from my friend. This is from B Bella Cosmetics. It's a concealer, and this is in Shy Light Medium. We'll see if she matched me right, okay? I'm trying to be shady, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I'm perfectly matched. Yeah, that's definitely my skin. Well, perfect for my skin when I want to conceal. Look at that. Oh, this is pretty. I want a foundation from this brand. Ooh, ooh, and out. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look at the box, the container. And it has a lot of product. You open it, and look, it's right there, all the way at the top. I love this. Okay, next from also Be Bella, we have two lip liners. One is in shade Kiss Me, the other one's in shade Raspberry. Kiss Me, Raspberry. I'm gonna open one up to feel the formula. Because I really don't like when they're either too hard or too soft. When they're too soft, that they just keep breaking and breaking, it's just so fucking annoying. I like this one. It's not soft. It's kind of like, hard, but it's sturdy. It's not like so hard that you have to go many times and it's fucking hurting your lip. We have a longwear matte gloss from Beauty Creations in purple. I'm not going to swatch that. Who are you? Under eye mask, lip mask. So Lizzy lashes. We have one pair of lashes. I don't think it says in what style. Oh yeah, it says double D's, like the titties, double D's. From LA Girl, it's a great glazed lip paint. My boyfriend tried this and it's actually really sticky. It gets everywhere, so be careful with that. We have some lashes from Gatita, and ooh, is this a mirror? Ooh, in Bougie. It literally spelled BOO line G. These lashes are like drag queen lashes. Ooh. And we have these other ones in style 90s baby from Hustle and Beauty. Okay, what else do we have? We have some color lenses. I go through a lot to put this on, but we'll try them. These are like this yellowish hazel color. We got loose glitter from Beauty Creations. From Stila we have Suede Shade Liquid Eyeshadow. Pretty color. I definitely don't have anything like that for liquid shadows. And my favorite, the You're So Jelly Jelly highlighter from Too Faced. I have one that I love, and the one I have is like a gold color. This is more like of a pink, and I love jelly highlighter. Well, that's it, guys. I will link the store on my video description, and I will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.